it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. No matter what, told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And I wanted to give you guys another raw and real quick video because the market is moving and I want you guys to catch these moves. All right. And we're looking at GBPUSD. And so I made a video talking about catching the dip. And this is the dip that I caught right here. This piece right here. Let me blow that up for you guys. That piece right there. So as soon as I saw that, remember we rolled it up for 160 pips or so. Entry point was right here. Entry point was the opening of that candle. And then we rolled that up like that, right? So now how do we put this together? What's the next move? Well, look at that wick right there. Okay, look at that wick. Now check this out. If you pull out the Fibonacci from this high point and bring it down to this low point, what do we have here? We got us a golden zone. So now we back down to where we entered in on that swing trade, where we bought the dip. We knew how far to buy it up, and we knew when to take profit. And now it's back down with an engulfing bearish candle. This red candle, they call it, it's an engulfing candlestick. It's bearish because it's red, it's going down, right? So check this out. This is the current market now. So I think it's going to take a little bit of patience because as you can see on the right side of my chart, I have the dollar index up. And you can see how I got this boy marked up so beautifully. Look at the channel artwork on this dollar index. Beautifully marked up, right? Now this may come down just for today, just for London session. That's what's going to happen in a couple hours here. By the way, if you guys want to trade with me during London, then click the join button on my YouTube channel or click the first link in the description and you guys can trade live with me on these pairs. All right. So this may come down to touch this 50. As you can see, price is always dancing around that 50. So it may come down there, right? And as that come down, this GU is going to come up. But what I'm thinking is that I'm not saying for sure on this one. We got to be patient. But it may come up to the golden zone of that engulfing candlestick. What if we go up to here? It somewhere in there it may come up. If the Dixie drop for London session temporarily, the GU might go up there, or it might just go half of that candlestick, somewhere like that. All right, this is the daily chart on GBPUSD I'm looking at. So then we go down to the hour chart and you can see it probably could go up here. And then once it go up there, we can look for it to probably drop down to these levels right here. So I'm building a game plan for you guys, what to look for, because this is not straightforward right now. This is going to take patience. You can't just jump in right now because it's in the middle of nowhere. If you jump in for a sale right here, like I said, you might go into 50 pip drawdown. Why did you have to do that? You know what I mean? And it could sell right here. And what will help you with that is looking at candlestick patterns, but also you can go ahead and build up a trend line. So if it breaks the trend line, then you can go ahead and catch that momentum trade to the downside. And we'll be looking to take profit around here once it sells. So that's 1.19718. All right. So that's what we're looking at. So I like to use the dollar index to help me gauge what I'm going to do with the GBPUSD. All right. So if the dollar shoots up, well, then that trend line that we just drew is going to break that trend line. And then we can go ahead and get in. So we're ready. We have a game plan. Let me rewind that. So we have a game plan and we're ready for both scenarios to happen. But it's going to take some patience. All right. So let me know, what currency pair are you looking at? Are you king to this GU? I'm looking at the interest rates. Looking at the news, it says the dollar climbs on higher rate expectations. They saying that the dollar rises to 6-week peak as strong U.S. retail sales bolster high rate scenario. So this is just the trading view news. To me, is just like, it ain't. I don't think it's that great. They're just telling us what we already see on the charts. You have to go digging deeper. You know, you have to go digging deeper for some news. But this little news, this tells you what, you know, if there's news events happening on that day or whatever, it's good for that. But to get inside information, TradingView ain't giving you that right here. All right, they're telling you what you can already just see on the chart. So that's the game plan. Now, if I was to have a bias on this, I would say I think that the dollar is going to pull back a little bit to this 50, kind of dance around, and then go ahead and make its move to this upper channel. You can see it's been making its move on this channel. All right, it broke through this channel down here and made its way to this channel, and now it's making its way to the top channel. So like I said, if it goes up to this top channel, as it's getting there, you can expect GU to be dropping. Excuse me, you can expect GU to be dropping. So that's the game plan, y'all. If this video was too fast, rewind it, take your time, understand it, and get it marked up just as I just did it for you. So leave a comment below if you have any questions on this, but be ready. It may happen during London session. You know, like when we trade live for this London session that's coming up in a few hours, you know, if it comes to the top, we're gonna time that and catch that move. You know, we're gonna eat both ways. No matter, we're not gonna trade with a bias. We're gonna just follow the money, and we know when to get out. We know when to play defense, when to play offense. We know when it should be a 10 pip, 12 pip day, or 12 pip morning for as far as scalping. You know, even though we're looking at maybe, let me see how many pips it was. Let's say it comes up to this golden zone. All right, let me show you this scenario right quick. You see how it's stair stepping? Let's say it stair steps up to this golden zone, right? Well, that's even better because now I can clearly pull out a trend line there. And let's say now it decides to break. Let's say we catch a break right around this area. That's 98. That's 100 pips. If you caught 50 of that, you doing big things. If you caught 50 pips of that, you don't necessarily have to catch the whole thing. But I'm just saying, because you know that you're in a good range to catch some pips, you know minimally you're gonna definitely get minimum of 50. So that's the scenario. We're gonna be ready both ways. Go ahead and rewind this video, watch it, and comment below if you have any questions about anything I just showed you. But we on it for 2023. Hope you guys enjoy these quick videos that you can dive in and make some money from. And as of always, like, trade at your own risk, but definitely use risk management. All right. Hey, subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoy these type of videos, let me know. I can make more for you. Subscribe and like this video. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this London session in a few hours, and you already know. Let's make this money, baby. Peace.